Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings in finally today. Today I have a very special unboxing on this channel. Finally, going back to my roots and what I do best, unboxing technology and technology to do in terms of mobile phones. So you might have noticed on my channel recently I've made unboxings on all sorts of crazy things, microwaves, yogurt makers, all sorts of crazy things. I just wanted to experiment things on my channel a bit more and just basically see if any of you appreciated those things on my channel. But I think you guys appreciate things more in terms of technology like this, like mobile phones, like unboxings, reviews, gameplays. I think that's what this channel is about. And if that's about it, then it's cool. You know, I haven't actually tried making any videos on my fishes yet, which I will be making very soon, like the pet side of my channel. But I'm going back to this now. So this is the unboxing of the Nokia 3310 in 3G. Of course, you have this phone also available in 2G. I purchased this from Amazon.co.uk for about £50, and this can actually work with any SIM card. So it's a SIM-free model. So yeah, so I'm just going to basically make an unboxing and just quick start up as well of the phone. So you can see it says Nokia 3310 3G. I like the very nice kind of plain layout of the box. It has 2 megapixels camera with LED flash. It has Snake preloaded, the famous game Snake. It also has the Opera store, so you can download more games that you wish to, and also more apps if you wish to. I think Facebook Messenger also comes on here or something, and I don't know if WhatsApp is ever going to be available on here, but if it does, then that's going to be such a plus. It comes with up to 6.5 hours talk time, 27 days standby time, so it literally lasts up to a month for a single charge. FM radio, microSD card, and that microSD card you plug in it can support up to 32 GB, which is a whopping size. And it also has micro SIM, so it doesn't run on any ordinary SIM, it just runs on micro SIM. Now the issue with this phone is that a lot of people have been telling me, I mean not telling me, but I've been researching myself. This phone actually, you know, a lot of people say it's not good because, you know, there's limited things. Apparently the 3G version is slower than the 4G version, and apparently people have been saying also that, I mean, I've been researching, there's actually less cases available. There's not actually, the only place I see a case for this phone and a screen protector is from Amazon. There's one screen protector from Amazon, and there's a case on mobilefun.co.uk, and that's the only cases around. Like, you can't even get a case for this on eBay. You can get a case for the 2G version, however, but I don't want a 2G version, I want a 3G version. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, again, people say they still prefer the 2G. I don't know why. I'm just trying to take this off. I don't want to try to take it out with a protector. But let's just see. I'm just so excited. Nostalgia all over again. I remember when I was a child, I used to have this phone. I mean, I didn't have this phone. My dad had this phone. I was too little to have a phone, apparently. And, you know, I used to, play Snake on his phone and stuff like that. And there was Bounce as well. My cousins love to play Bounce, you know. I'm a bit weird. Anyway, wow. Okay, the first impression on this phone is that it feels like heaven in your hand. Literally, it feels like heaven in your hand. It feels like oh my god, it feels like a proper 3310, like the ones that I used to have in the olden days. Wow. Just guys, I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see, you know, the aesthetic of this phone. But you can clearly see, you know, look at that. Like, you can see how amazing that looks, and it has these nice rubber sort of keypads on it, bringing you back, you know, bringing your memories back to those childhood days, you know, you used to have this phone or play with this phone, whether it's your parents or whatever. But it has a larger screen, which I like. It would be more better if it was touchscreen, but you know, whatever. Back you can see you have your 2 megapixel camera and your flash, so that's pretty cool, coming from Nokia, having a flash on a budget smartphone. And if this was a budget smartphone, I think Nokia should have made it a bit cheaper. £50 is a bit too hefty for me, but you know, it is what it is. If they want to market at that price, obviously there has to be something which is worth marketing at that price. So it's gonna, wow, what's happening? That should be here, right? What's happening? Right. There's something not right here. It's like this should have been here, in my opinion. So when you're taking out the box, so you lift it up all together, right? Like that. So I don't know, has Amazon opened their phones beforehand, or I don't know. Anyway, let's see what we get. Okay, so inside we've got this, you know, of course, famously known now, obviously, Nokia charger. So you can see we have our Nokia charger before, and then this bit here just goes up and down. Yep. Before we had your pin charger, which was actually famous, but now you have this micro USB. I'll come back to it in a minute, but I'll show you on the phone as well in a minute. Nokia could have upgraded their headphones slightly. I know they want to stay with that retro sort of tacky headphone style, but of course for the £50 price point, if you're going to include a micro HDMI port for your charging capabilities, you should have as well included that. But no big fuss on that, guys. I'm not really fussy about that. There's a ton of headphones I can chuck into mine, and a lot of Apple headphones and stuff. And then we have your battery. So this is the actual whopping, what is it, 3.7 volts, 4.4 1.2 1200 milliamp battery, so pretty big for a little device like this, and it's Nokia branded, as you can see, so very nice. Just gonna put that to the side, and then inside the last thing we have is the Nokia 3310 quick start guide. So this is it says dual SIM. Wait, is it dual SIM? No, it says /dual SIM. Okay. Right, so just basically what it does and stuff. I'm not interested in all of that. I'm not interested in the headphones. I'm not interested in the charging. I'm interested in the battery to power up the phone and the phone itself. That's what I'm interested in. So I'm just going to show around the phone, guys. So you can see we have nothing really much exciting on the round of the phone. We just have the speaker here, the loudspeaker. We have the 3.5mm head jack right there. So you can plug in literally your Apple headphones into there if you want, and you have a microSD. You don't have a volume up and down key, which is a bit disappointing, but again, being a nostalgic phone, I think that's expected. So the back cover just pops right off, and again we have these made in Vietnam, and we have a place where we can put our micro SD card, and also a place where we can put our micro SIM. I don't have my SIM card with me at the moment. I'm just going to see if it powers up without the SIM. If it does, then you're lucky. If it doesn't, then unfortunately I can't do anything more about that. So I'm just going to power it back on now. There's no actual dedicated power key as well, so you have to stick with this sort of modern key look. I don't think that it's even oh, there is charge. Okay, so this is Nokia, and I can tell you that the Nokia is very, very rich in terms of color. And you can see that yourself. It's very, very rich in terms of color. Very, very nice indeed, guys. I'm actually in love with this phone. It doesn't actually have the hand animation. You know how before, like, you had two hands coming together? It doesn't actually have that. Okay, wow, the screen is actually pretty clean. Do you want to set the time now? 24-hour clock? No, I like 12-hour. Auto update, yes. Auto update. Okay. Continue. Preparing phone for use. Okay. Wow, I want to say I'm pretty impressed with this phone because it's actually pretty fast. I don't know if you can see that or not. So if I just show you now, the phone is actually pretty fast. So you've got Facebook, which is not actually an app, I guess. It's actually a thing. You've got your, okay, so you've got that. Wow, it looks pretty nice. You've got, so you have to press that and that, okay. You've got a camera. So there we go. I mean, a tacky camera, not really, you can't take a selfie on it. Tom, you can take a selfie on this. Oh. So you got, okay, right. So you've got like a little sort of like, okay, selfie sort of camera thing. But I don't know who would take a selfie on this fella right here. You know, I certainly won't be one of those people who take selfies on here. I'll probably use like an emergency phone or like a little phone where I can just like play around. The main thing actually that I was interested in is actually the game Snake. So we have Disney Kingdoms, real football. Well, whoa. We have football on here. Right, 1 minute. Let me just play Snake first, because I think all of you guys are like, okay, let me see Snake. Shut the hell up and let me see Snake. I will show you Snake. 1 minute. Let me just go on the game first. Right, if I can find it. I bet it's right in front of me and I can't even see it. And you guys in the comment be like, what are you doing? Here it is, Snake. Yes. I remember. It's downloading apparently. Okay. This is very worrying. Oh, it's Gameloft. It's powered by Gameloft. Wow. That's cool. So this is the game Snake. I think all of you guys out there were like, oh my god, let me see the game Snake. You know, that's what you guys, I don't know. Okay. Oh. Hold on, wait. Oh. That's pretty cool. Yes, the Snake pretty much plays better. You have asphalt on here. Can you hear that, guys? You have asphalt on this phone. Do you know what I don't think you guys understand what that means. Asphalt game playing on a Nokia 3310. Hold on. Is this next generation technology? What is happening here, guys? Is there something wrong? Next thing you probably see is a Nokia 4G. I heard that the Nokia 3310 4G is going to come out. Hopefully that is true. Don't know if it's a myth though. Okay, where are you from? UK. What SIM? Don't know. Probably O2 anytime soon. Buy the game. What do you mean buy the game? I want to test it. Play the demo, mate. What do you mean buy the game? These people this game office is trying to tell me to buy the game. I want a demo. Enable sound, yeah. Okay, free play. Let's put free play on. Play tutorial, no. Enter. If it's actually a good game, I might as well just buy it, just for the fun of it, and just make a video on playing Asphalt on the Nokia 3310. You tell me, what do you guys want to see on the channel? I will make. So I think it's loading now. My camera is being really retarded in terms of autofocus, but let's just see. Okay, 100%. Oh, can you see that, guys? That quality? Wow. Oh my god, that's so sick. Okay, that's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing else I can show you. I don't have a SIM card installed, so I can show you the internet. I really want to show you the internet, but as you can imagine, because it's a 3G version, it would run much faster as compared to the actual 2G version. But I will install a SIM card here very, very soon. Show you the internet, show you everything, and get you guys very, very notified about that as well. But guys, that's pretty much it what I want to tell you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just don't forget to subscribe to My Boxing and Fun for more videos like this, and I'll catch you all guys later. That's more like it. Have a nice day, guys. Take care and see you later. Bye.